Hi, Neil here with Covers Camo, your source for custom seat covers. Today we're checking out the seat covers on the 2019 Ford Super Duty. It's an awesome looking set. It's the crew cab, and we're putting on the Mossy Oak Shadowgrass Blades camouflage seat covers in our Bronze series. Really good looking set of seat covers. It's gonna be super easy to clean, wipe up, just a great fabric inside here. Really love how these turned out. So let's check them out. Now let's check out the fabrics inside here. So this is the Mossy Oak Shadowgrass Blades canvas fabric. So as you can see, super durable, and it's gonna be a waterproof fabric. It's actually a triple layer waterproof. There's a top layer waterproof coating, there's the material itself, then there's also a polyurethane underside coating to it. So really great, it's gonna repel that water as you get in wet and the dogs get in wet, no problem. It's gonna repel that off, keep the seats clean and dry on the underside right there. And so it's a great fabric, really good if you need something that's a little bit heavier duty. Guys, these are side airbag compatible, so if your airbags ever needed to deploy out, it would blow through this stitching right there. Your tag, make sure you just have this tag on that outside as you install these. We have a full install video showing you how to install every step of these seat covers. So we'll check out that install video if you're getting ready to put these on your truck. And again, just tight fitting covers, custom to this specific truck. Everything we do is custom, made to order for your vehicle. Guys, it's a snowy day here in Utah, and you can see the snow is falling in and the moisture is falling in on these seats. Look, there's some right there. So that has beaded up right there. And I'm just gonna take a microfiber cloth and wipe some of that off. You can see that, how that just wipes up. So much easier than if this was cloth seats, guys, it'd be seeping into that cloth right now. So again, just easy to wipe up and keep looking clean inside here. Let's check out the headrest. This is the driver headrest. You can see it's a custom fit around that headrest right here. Comes around, covers towards the bottom section as well. There's an elastic band that holds that on nice and tight right there. And then around here, look how flush that is, guys. There's a pre-punched hole that you're gonna fit around, and you pop that over that headrest post section right there. Finishes out like that. Really nice, clean finish right there around that headrest section, and just looks really nice. Guys, here's the driver bottom cover now. You can see in the Mossy Oak Shadowgrass Blades camo again, as we've been talking about. This is where you get the most wear and tear on the outside right here. You can see the snow dropping down as I was mentioning. Again, it's just gonna wipe off. Keep that seat underneath nice and dry. Now, where you get the most wear and tear is this outside bolster right there. You do not wanna wear out your original upholstery. That gets super expensive if you need to have that upholstery fixed, redone. It can be over $1,000 just for a driver bottom reupholstery fix. So a good set of seat covers like this that are custom fit to your seats that are gonna look good, but then also protect your seats, really very worthwhile investment for you. Now, this is a seat that has a middle 20 section that lifts up into a seat section. So again, it's called the 20 section. There's a top lid. Some have storage. This one does. This one has a top storage section. There's also this lifts up like into a seat, like I was saying right here. There's gonna be a backrest to the 20 section and a bottom right here. So that also lifts up for storage underneath. So you can put your gear underneath there. So there's gonna be a separate cover for the bottom, the backrest, the lid right here, and then also the headrest, guys. So this is a separate small headrest right here, and you're gonna get a separate cover for that so it fits nice and tight to your headrest, and everything looks really nice. So I'm gonna lift up this right here so you can see that you still have access to your top storage right there, and everything just folds and functions just how it should right there, and covered up, looking good in your choice of camo. Again, if you don't like the Mossy Oak Blades, I do. I think it pops really cool inside here. But if you want a different camo, we can do it in a different camo too. Now, so here's these rear mat pockets. Now, these come standard on your build of your seat covers in this series. So these are just some nice deep mat pockets where you could store gear. Maybe you want to throw your binoculars, your jacket inside here. You can see I reach my arm in. That's about how deep it is right there. And you, again, throw your extra bags. A first aid kit. Guys, think about putting a first aid kit inside here. That's always a good idea to have in the back right there. So driver and passenger are going to have those rear map pockets back there. And then also you can see this coverage goes down pretty low down there. So if your guys are back here, your kids back here getting their muddy boots in the back right there, well, that's gonna be covered up. Don't worry, you got coverage going pretty far down right there. Now we're checking out the rear seat. So this is the crew cab, so it's a full cab size. You can see this is the 60/40 rear seat back here. No center armrest. It does not have a center armrest on this particular trim level of truck. But the seat, again, is 60/40, so there's that split right here. So this 60 comes up separately from the 40. And the backrest is split as well. You can see there's a section right there. So you give us all those details when you're building this up, and we dial it in with you. Our team works with you. They get photos from you, and we just we guarantee it will be a nice tight fit, just like what you're seeing right here, guys. So want to show you that, again, the split seat right there. The other thing I love about these seat covers, underside coverage, guys. So if you get in here with the wet dogs are jumping in after hunting, you get in here with your dirty gear, your bags, your hunting gear, well, that, you know what, that's going to be so much easier to clean, because what was underneath this before? Carpet. That carpet is terrible to clean. The mud sticks to that and just looks really bad. So now when this gets wet or muddy, just take your microfiber cloth, just wipe that down. Man, it's gonna be so much easier to clean back here. So that underside coverage, full coverage on the top and around, just everything covered really quick. Also, real quick, I wanted to talk about an install video. We have a full install video showing you how to put all of this on. So don't worry, hey, can I get these on? We'll walk you through all the steps there, and our team is super professional and helpful to make sure that you get these on as well. There's that underside coverage on this 40 section over here. So this 40, the smaller seat, also has underside coverage right there. Let's pull this tab. There's cutouts for the pull tabs as well. And then I'm gonna pull this pull tab right here. I'm gonna fold this down. So there's coverage on the back right here if this one's down. The 60 normally doesn't come down. I have a little hack, a little trick on showing you how to get that 40 section down. But normally it would just be this seat that might be down, where you might put a bag on top of here. So there is coverage on the back, and you can see there's that cutout here. So this can lock back up inside there. Let's put this back up. Headrests are gonna have their own covers. There's two larger headrests and a middle headrest back here. And the middle headrest is smaller. So the only way to for sure get these to fit is to order a made-to-order custom fit seat cover for your vehicle in your choice of camouflage or your choice of colors, guys, or in your fabrics. Maybe you want to do a different fabric. Maybe you want to do something else in some solid colors. We can make it happen, guys. We can get it done. So everything is going to still fold and function. All their seat belts are still going to, your seatbelt receivers, your seatbelt's still going to be there. This is an integrated seatbelt here, so the seat cover goes underneath it when it installs and just fits on nice and tight here. And again, like I was saying, this is a waterproof fabric. It's a triple layer waterproof system with a top waterproof layer. There's the fabric, the canvas itself, and then also an underside that's a polyurethane coating under it, okay? So you can see it's a snowy day here in Utah right now, guys. So we got the snow coming in as we're finishing and filming this, and you can see that just wipes up right here, and you just wipe that off, and it's gonna keep those seats under nice and dry and clean, and again, easy to wipe off compared to those cloth seats. If you're familiar with Ford, they have these, a lot of their stock seats are a gray, and that gray stains so easily. So this is gonna be stain resistant, waterproof fabrics, just gonna be an easy to wipe up cover now, and super durable for all of your outdoor adventures. Now, thanks for watching this video. Again, this has been Neil here with Covers and Camo, your source for custom seat covers. We offer seat covers for trucks, Jeeps, cars, SUVs, and those UTVs, those side-by-sides. So check us out at coversandcamo.com. We look forward to building you an awesome looking set of seat covers. Again, Covers and Camo, your source for custom seat covers.